Okay, so today we are going to discuss how to optimize YouTube videos 2021. So, if you want to get more views, more subscribers and more traffic from YouTube, then you need to optimize your YouTube videos. To optimize your YouTube videos, here is tip number 1. Custom thumbnails. 90% of the top ranking videos you see have custom thumbnails instead of the auto-generated thumbnails. So, the focus should be on getting a thumbnail that pops on the page, a thumbnail that stands out among others. Now here are some rules for creating thumbnails. Use emotions or expressions because expressions generate curiosity and curiosity wins the click. Next, most people watch YouTube on a mobile phone, so make thumbnails that looks good on mobile. If it looks good on mobile, it should look good on desktop too. Next, you should keep the text on thumbnail minimum and readable. Next, use bright colors to make thumbnails stand out. Now, to get some tips and tricks to create great thumbnails, watch this video linked to this I button. Link is also there in the description. Tip number 2. Use catchy clickable titles. Now, if you have a great thumbnail that pops, the next thing we do is to quickly glance at the title, and it is then that we decide should we click on the title or not. Your title should be such that it is short and catchy. Keep it 60 to 70 characters so that the full text is visible when using in mobile. Putting the primary keywords in front of the title helps in getting ranked as well as suggested. However, include the keyword in such a way that it sounds natural. Always remember to use relevant title and thumbnail and never to mislead people, as it will have a negative impact on your channel. Again, if you want some great tips on how to write clickable titles, then watch this video on this iCard. Link is also there in the video description. Tip 3. Solid searchable description. Identify your keywords and write a long, thorough description using these keywords, and that will help you to get more views and visibility in search. Make the first part of your description, say around 200 characters, very catchy and engaging. It is very important as this part will show up above show more when a viewer lands to your video. Tell the viewer what to expect in the video within these 200 characters. Reinforce the primary keyword and the primary keyword phrase from the title. The remaining part will be visible when he clicks the View More option. In this part, you can give a bigger description of what is actually there in the video, repeating your primary keyword and using complementary keywords. This part can include time codes to watch videos easier, relevant hashtags, links to other videos, links to your social media accounts. Do not forget to add a call to action in the end, like subscribing to your channel or clicking on your website. Tip 4. Use cards and end screens. So the aim is to have your audience watch more and more of your content, and you can do this by using YouTube cards and end screens. Both of these are important parts of YouTube SEO strategy. So, you can use YouTube cards at the correct timings to promote a video relevant to your current video. Or, you can use a strong call to action at the end of your video to promote a related video, a playlist or a channel using end screens. Thus, by making proper usage of end screens and cards, you can redirect your viewers to another video of yours instead of them finding some stuff on some other unrelated channel. Tip 5. Use relevant tags. Though YouTube says that factors like title and description are more important for ranking than tags, tags are still considered a YouTube SEO best practice. Now, if you are a beginner with low subscriber count, target low competition keywords that you can rank for. Let the first tag be the primary keyword that is used in title and description. Then use other relevant keywords. Use keyword research tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy to see the search volume and competition before deciding a keyword. So these were the tips on how to optimize YouTube videos in 2021. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want YouTube growth related tips and tricks. So that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video.